Do we know where are we going?
Of course you know where
Do
we're
you have
going.
any idea?
Don't dramatize the situation.
Svolta a destra.
Oddio.
Quindi la tua destinazione si troverà sulla sinistra.
I
We're
will be
almost
fine.
there, yes.
Look, you see, it's full of people. Look, 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 full of van.
Really?
Looks nice.
I can't see it.
Hey,
Ah, yeah.
Not full of van, but there are.
Look how cute.
Guarda where I brought you.
La
Vedi?
tua destinazione si trova sulla sinistra.
Really, it's cute. A small parking, a small home for tonight. Now 10 hours and he will decide where we will park. Was such a good
Svolta
parking.
leggermente a destra.
Yes.
Felt like private garden, private lakeside house home. Basically from Ticino to arrive this place it was around 1 hour and a half, and from here not exactly to the city center but where we wanna sleep tonight, park the camper, is around another an hour 5 minutes. So I think it's a really good in the middle stop if you are
Svolta a destra.
planning
Quindi,
to visit
svolta a
Bergamo
sinistra.
from Ticino. There's a life going
Tra
on.
200 metri. Alla rotonda prendi la seconda uscita.
This is so annoying, your navigator.
Switch it off.
Yeah.
Tack.
Tack. And what I was saying, yes, because it is raining today.
In 100 meters, turn left. You like better this voice? Be careful, slow down, jump. Now. Okay, I shut up.
Shut up. I think in a sunny day or let's say bright sky day can be even how can I say, more live, more vivid.
It's full
to
of
visit here.
small lakes. Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah, it's come
Surrounded by mountain. Yeah.
It's an area is really really interesting. There's a skeleton.
Let's go to check.
The flowers smell so good. We're gonna do a photo. What kind? My husband keeps the door for me always. Gonna cook and there will be bolognese. So
Il gusto della qualità.
fai come ti pare, pare. Cosa hai fatto?
Niente.
Bolognesiamo. Pensa. despite the rain, finally we left the van and walked into the Bergamo city. But there are two cities there. One is higher, one is, let's say, the normal level. And it is called Citta Alta and Citta Bassa. And right now we're going to the Bassa.
Sì,
We won't go out.
Maybe we can go a
Also
little bit.
tomorrow we can
Sì,
do the upper
a
one.
bit later, a bit tomorrow. Vediamo.
Someone is wearing my beanie with my backpack.
You told me that was cool.
Everything yellow. You are cool. I have this long
Just to cover
jacket.
my long hair.
My rain jacket I bought in France. It works.
Open the door.
I think the bars and cafes are really cute and they have their own style. Everyone decorated in a cute,
Italian style.
interesting, yeah, decorated. Really cute.
Welcome to Italy.
I know, this is real Italian. Not like some other cities that we have been. What is happening in my drawer? Why my knife is there?
I'm looking for this knife to cut the bread. Yeah, so professional.
We don't have these settings at home.
No, for
We
sure.
have
there's
more
one.
in here.
We don't have.
Look at this. A cheese with walnuts.
Let's say walnuts with cheese.
Walnuts with cheese, yeah, exactly. Really good. I'll try it now. I'm curious. Let's see, a piece of cheese.
Table full of
Nuts.
food. How it is? Good? Amazing!
It's the most really, really good. Yeah, because from the first second, you take this, you know, the crash taste with walnut and cheese. Guide me.
Yeah, guarda, the one that doesn't want the shoes inside. Look.
Mission accomplished.
Stairs. This morning we start with stairs.
We didn't start with stairs.
No?
We did
A long
half
walk.
an hour of, yes, long road. And we arrived in the city doing the stairs to go upper city.
Because today we are going in Bergamo.
Citta Alta. Feel revealing.
here, okay, which is Porta Sant'Agostino.
Okay.
After we are following the wall. So now we are here in this parking, we are following all the path around here. Here at the door, okay, main door, there are some park, garden, and after we will go inside in the Cittadella. Okay, there will be like churches, there should be a nice square, I don't remember the name, and that's it. So today we will do this.
So as an engineer, you think they build this city in a smart and good way?
Certo.
Ma certo.
Italian
Italian
smartness.
style.
Italian smartness. So you see how it's strong, fortified.
Let's go and see with our own
Find
eyes.
this city anywhere else? Find them.
I will find.
Again, I am upset because we wanted to enter in the Basilica here in Citta Alta in Bergamo. €3.
3 euro per person, so it's 6 euros just to enter in a church.
It's like Pisa and Lucca.
And they put like a bankomat inside, like
Eh.
you seriously pass,
Dai.
make a queue and pay to
The-
pray basically.
And there was a guy that said to me, I want to pray, I have to pay €3. They said yes. So-
And with a mask. Everywhere else, you're free to go without. There with a mask. Okay.
Peccato, we won't go. Ciao.